Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR attendance from the 2023 Wave 8. We have Dillion's Ferris Next Gen car. And on the back you get other cars like Kevin Harvick's Sunny D, Kyle Busch's number 8 Cheddars, Denny Hamlin's Interstate Batteries car, and Brad Keselowski King's Hawaiian car. And also look out for his chase piece too. Or the chase piece car comes with the Wave. Let's get Dillion out of the box. So first off, we have a sticker, which is the number 77. Ferris, their logo, the American flag, Dillion, the Instagram logo, and his logo. So here we have Dillion himself. Or his car, actually. So Dillion switched teams from the Legacy Motor Club team to Spire Motorsports. And obviously you got the Spire Motorsports number 7. Well, now they doubled it to 77. And well, he got kicked out of the ride at the end of the season. So Ferris is actually a tractor company. Like, they have tractors. I think that's what they do. But anyway, here is the 77 car. It's got a red hood, a red top, and on the side of the car you got the black line. You got it's mostly black with a red stripe that goes through the bottom of the car. You got the Ferris logo, which is pretty nice. And on the side here, you got the logo, but Ferris is off to the side. And right here, you can see the 75th edition Wave. 75 years of NASCAR. There's nothing much of the car. It looks pretty nice. And I think that'll conclude today's video. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.